What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you some extra feature of WhatsApp that will be very helpful for your privacy. So let's get started. First of all, go to WhatsApp and then go to three dot menu from here and go to setting option. After that go to privacy. You can see so many options about privacy. Go to last and click to advanced option. Here you can see three option about your extra privacy. First one is block unknown account message. Sometimes so many messages, basically we don't like unknown message in our WhatsApp. So if you block the unknown message in your WhatsApp, then enable this option. And then if you want to protect IP address in call, then also enable this option. And last one is disable link preview. Sometime hackers or thief, somebody trying to send a link to preview, and then if we click that link, it will be very harmful for our device or our personal data. So we can block any unknown link preview by enable this option. I think those are very helpful feature for our personal data, for our device, or like this. So if you think this video is helpful for you, you can like our video, you can support our channel by pressing subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye.